wheels. Actually, this one is first.
Oh my god.
You're gonna have to help her with this one.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I open that, Chris?
That one, help her.
SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
SpongeBob, what is it?
Sit down, Angel.
What is it? What's inside of it? You gotta open it.
It's a ball.
This one's for Jason.
What is it?
What is it? It's heavy.
Yeah.
Here, here.
Oh. It's
Cheers, I know. Of course.
What?
Look it. Look it.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Nice.
Are those the three wise men?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, they are. Oh, wow. These are
Whoa!
It's just like Joe's, huh?
Mom!
Remember Joe's? Now you have one.
Jason.
Thank you, Jason.
Wait, what does yours look like? Whoa, these are so. Look what Denise is showing you.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Can I put that somewhere for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh. It's
No wonder you're asking for the shoe size.
Did it fit? You got a big foot, boy.
He's
I'm
9
wearing
and
nine-
then.
I'm wearing a 9.5 right now, but 8 will fit.
Yeah, you were like me when I was a kid.
okay.
But I'm only 5'8" and I'm up to 11 and a half.
Here, I'll take all
Great.
these.
It's kind of odd.
Yes!
That one.
Whoa,
Is
Gabriel.
this that yours?
Yeah.
Will you
Does that
open
command
it?
you?
Uh,
No, but I can share it.
Ooh, you
Can I
can.
run over here?
flowers.
Maybe.
It's flowers.
That one you have in your left hand.
Oh, it's purple flowers too. Your favorite color.
My purple flowers.
And in the center it
Look.
is... You like them?
Yeah.
Different ones.
Whoa! Thank you, Mom.
Look at that.
Oh yeah,
one.
I'm putting this on my door.
What does it say?
No trespassing.
Flowers.
Yeah.
Smell them.
Yeah, they smell like
Denise,
flowers.
this is for you.
Oh, for me. That's one.
You.
Oh yeah.
Candy, it had to be.
Candy. That's candy.
Cookies, you don't know. You have to
Holiday
open it.
cookies.
So here, you open it. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Open that. Right here in the middle. Tear it. Tear it
then-
open.
This one is for me and Gabe Mom.
Okay, you want to help yourself?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait. Let's put it on the table.
Wait,
Come
let
on.
me see. These guys spin. This guy's mine.
The blue. Then no, both of ours. Gabe, no.
I know, but we each get a guy. And this
Come
guy's
on, let's
mine.
try it out. The one with the sword.
Wait, you gotta open the rest of your presents.
Yeah, let's open our silver present.
Here, we'll put this one in the middle.
I'm
So
thinking
right-
you bought
right
that.
from the heater head.
Jason?
Whoa.
Look, necklace.
Oh,
Ooh,
wow.
I like those colors too.
Oh, yeah, it's
Yeah,
not
that's mine.
You should put those on. You're
This one's mine.
Good. This one's mine. Angel, that one yours?
Them Christmas cookies.
That one's mine.
I'm gonna try one.
Put your
and
necklace
give me
on.
back.
Where's your thing?
Okay.
Yeah, right in there.
Okay.
On my neck. On my neck.
What's this one?
That's it.
Oh,
Here's
connect
an all in
four.
one.
Angel, we gotta connect four
He
sets.
does, Denise.
Look it.
There you go.
Angel, we got a small connect four set. That's cool.
Wow. You want a cookie?
You
You're beautiful. Angel. Me and you got a it's clean, but it's quiet with the players.
See, so many cookies yesterday.
Angel. You just smoke next door. I want to put my big purple one.
Okay.
Is that Angel's? Angel. I think I saw it. Oh wow! Yay! That's a kite. That's a cool kite. Whoa! Dragon! You open it.
Paper off.
Huh?
Scoot over.
Right here in the middle.
Scoot over. Standing right in front of Denise.
What's that?
Hey, you can just stand by Mom. Just stand over to the side so I can see everybody.
Okay.
There you go. Perfect.
You're the princess for today. Look at Jimmy. Look at the princess. Show Jimmy.
Who's this one?
Where's Jimmy?
Where's Jimmy at?
Who's this?
Oh, how come Jimmy's not here?
Is yours?
Yeah.
Oh! Whose is this?
That is Denise.
Here, Denise.
Denise,
I don't know
you got
where the
another
stickers
one.
are.
You got another one. You want to open it? Of course, I had to get it.
I don't know.
Open it. I can already tell. It's already going to be a post.
See the tree? Purple on the tree.
Oh, wow. You got another chest?
But it's a princess jacket.
Oh, Angel, I got a red one.
That is a backpack.
I got a red one.
We're bombarding her.
Here.
You sit down.
Here, look at this. Come here, turn around.
Jimmy.
Okay.
Yes.
You almost got his coffee.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Christmas will end real fast if you spill Dad's coffee.
Do like that.
I like that noise.
Some things are unforgivable.
And a bee with a hula hoop.
Whoa.
Whoa! Here, you gotta hold the hula hoop. You don't want it?
Oh, what is
Okay.
it? Oh, test it out. No, not now, not now. We still have more Christmas.
Okay, we'll make it later. But Denise, check it out.
We still have more presents though. I know, I just need to. Is that for both of us or just for you?
Ooh, you got one more.
I'm gonna see Gabriel.
Do you
Yep.
guys reuse these bags? I always save mine. And I have enough.
Yeah.
Angel.
Ooh, you got double wrap.
Here, Angel. Here's another kite. Wonder what kite it is. Four. Awesome. Wait. Thank you. Thank you guys so much. Angel. Angel. There's a baby. It's full of water. I'm not going to open it. No, it isn't.
She glows at night.
What's in here? Here.
Oh, we gotta make it.
Thank you.
We
Here's
gotta make
the
it.
$100 bill.
We gotta make it. We gotta put it together. It's got string and.
I already know what this one is. Angel gave it. Angel took it out of my room.
And it glows at night.
Ooh,
read that.
pretty.
Yeah, we borrowed them.
We borrowed them. Be sure you give them back when you're done.
Borrow it?
No,
What?
they're mine though.
Can you share with me?
No,
Why?
'cause
Cause
Angel, let's set this up on the table.
This is this one.
What are these for?
What?
Oh, I shoot them.
Who's this one for?
What? These things. Look. Oh, the 100.
Gabe.
Okay.
Okay. That's
Try it.
Gabe. Take that to Gabe.
Gabe or Angel.
I don't want to open it.
They wrap
I already
things
know
for
what
each
it is,
other.
and you gotta open it.
Let her open.
You don't know what it is?
I know what it is. Angel took it out of my room.
They each took something out of their room. and
I
wrapped
did.
it.
Okay, okay.
She opened it so good, I had so much trouble.
Hey Gabe, can you put these in your room, Angel, before you guys get busy on something?
Yeah, I
Hey,
want
Denise, no more messing.
except for this. I'm gonna leave this on the table. You're gonna leave this on the table.
What is this? Denise, come on.
Angel, let's clear off the table. I'm gonna go put my stuff in my room.
Yeah.
And I'll put your stuff in your room, but can you clear off the table?
I'm just getting it off the floor.
No, not even close. Not even close. Not even close. This is mine. I'm gonna eat them all.
He's the Cookie Monster.
He's always gonna get a bullet in the butt.